Guys, it's Hudson. I was just gonna do a little video on my Lego puzzle box that I just now made. I have my little thing here. Just hang on, give me a second to redo this really fast. Okay, so I'm back. I just put the little diamond in it. Now it's time to do the viewing of the puzzle box. Let me move this. Huh, how am I gonna get it to prop up like that? Okay guys, now I'm back and I have my puzzle box all locked up. Hang on a minute. I have my puzzle box all locked up. You can see there's this little spinny thingy right here. I'm not going to get to that yet. So this is made entirely out of Legos. It took me about like 30 minutes to build. I watched a tutorial on King of Random, the King of Random. Go check him out. He's really cool. He does all these tutorials and stuff, but if you've already seen him, good for you. But anyways, let's get down to business. Okay, so, wait a minute. Let me move this back just a little bit. Or if I move it closer, like, okay. Here's the puzzle box. Spinny thingy right there, like I said. It goes in and out. There's like a little slot right here for something like this. Wait, there's something inside of this. I don't know if this might work, but let's give it a shot. Hang on. Wait a minute. Like, is that good? I think so. Plus, this is just a little Minecraft chest I had. Alright, wait. I guess this comes off. Okay, now this is a key I believe goes in here. Look at it. Nothing. Nothing at all. This goes in, then if you give it a little tap, it should come back out, like that. So if I push it in just like this, I can shake it back out. I think it has something to do with this. Let's push it. Now let's try and open it. I got it. There, I did it. Ouch. Alright, and now, the ruby. So, I want to show you guys the mechanisms. So this really easily, this key has a little slot right there, right here. Now if you push it, it can, this key, this little piece right here, you just turn it a little bit, push this out, and then it'll come out. So now it's time to talk about the lock. So now, the lock is this little peg that has a little thing that stops it. So, see if you can look, this is not like a normal Lego. It has that little piece right there. So, it's like a cylinder, so it won't make it come out the hole. So, it'll go in really easily, but you can't shake it out, but then it'll just immediately come back out. This is a really cool puzzle box. I made it on a tutorial, and so let me show you guys really fast. So you take this, make sure the holes right here line up with the holes over here on this, and then you just pop it in